You are going to love the 2013 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front tow hooks, tire pressure monitoring system, full-size spare tire, perimeter alarm, dual note horn, fog lamps. Inside you'll find cruise control, overhead console, power door locks with auto lock feature, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.